Start.
Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture series by Smart Urja Academy. In this lecture, now we are going to look at the structure of atom. Atom consists of two main structural elements. In the middle of the atom, there is going to be nucleus, and nucleus consists of proton and neutron. They stick together. Then there are electrons which are revolving in various orbits. So each of these circular shell in which electron revolves around the nucleus is called orbit. In this lecture, we are going to look at the atomic structure of first 20 elements. Let's start with the first element with atomic number 1, hydrogen. So hydrogen has one electron and it is placed in the K shell in which it keeps on revolving around the nucleus. The second element is helium, which has 2 electrons. So around the protein in the K shell there will be 2 electrons. The third is lithium with 3 electrons. So we have 2 electrons in K shell and 1 electron in L shell. Remember that the first K shell can contain maximum 2 electrons only. Hence in lithium, the third electron is placed in the L shell. Going ahead, we have beryllium with atomic number 4. In beryllium, the first K shell contains 2 electrons, L shell contains 2 electrons. Boron with atomic number 5. First K shell contains 2 electrons, L shell contains 3 electrons. Carbon with atomic number 6. 2 electrons in K shell and 4 electrons in the L shell. Going ahead, the next element is nitrogen with atomic number 7. 2 electrons in the first shell, 5 electrons in the second shell, L shell. Oxygen with atomic number 8, 2 electrons in the first shell and remaining 6 electrons in the second shell. Next one is with atomic number 9, fluorine. It has 2 electrons in the first shell and 7 electrons in the second L shell. The next one is 10th, neon. And neon has 2 electrons in the first shell and 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So as second shell can contain maximum 8 electrons, we say that for neon the octet is complete. Remember, octet stands for 8. And once the octet is complete, given element is going to be stable. After neon, now the second shell is filled, so we have to add the third shell. So with sodium, when we have 11 electrons, there are going to be 2 in K shell, 2 in K, 8 in L shell, and then KLM. The mth shell is going to have 1 electron. So here I have K and L and then M. So M has only 1 electron in sodium. When it goes to magnesium with atomic number 12, the K shell contains 2 electrons, L shell contains 8 electrons, and the outermost valence shell contains 2 electrons again, which are shown here in red. Going ahead to aluminium, we have 13 electrons in total, and here now we can comprehend that the outermost shell is going to contain 3 electrons. Now when it goes to potassium with atomic number 19, K shell contains 2 electrons, L contains 2, M contains 2, and the nth shell now contains 1 electron. So we can keep on building up the electronic structure like this. Now the chemical properties of all these elements depends very much upon the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. For example, potassium has 1 electron in the outermost shell. Sodium has 1 electron in the outermost shell. Lithium has 1 electron in the outermost shell. They are going to show similar chemical properties. In the next lecture, we'll learn about the ions formed by these elements. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel for getting more informative videos like this. Thank you.